No gimmicks, no lies, and no extreme methods, just simple evidence-based nutrition strategies that work. If you're looking to lose weight, there are a few healthy tips that hold true for almost all of us across the board, and they're concepts that we can put into practice beginning right now. Eating protein for breakfast. Protein is a key nutrient for weight loss. Protein can regulate appetite hormones to help people feel full. This is because the body uses more calories to metabolize protein, compared to fat or carbs. Good choices for a high-protein breakfast include eggs, oats, nut and seed butters, quinoa porridge, sardines, and chia seed pudding. Cutting back on sugar and refined carbohydrates. Carbs, or carbohydrates, especially refined or processed ones, tend to convert into sugars in the body very quickly. When you eat refined or simple carbs, your bloodstream is flooded with sugar, which triggers a surge of insulin to clear the sugar from your blood. All this insulin can leave you feeling hungry soon after a meal, often craving more sugary carbs. By focusing on whole foods and complex, unrefined carbs, you can cut down on sugar and simple carbs, keep your blood sugar stable, maintain a healthy weight, and find ways to satisfy your sweet tooth. Not only will you feel healthier and more energetic, but you'll also shed the stubborn belly fat that many of us are struggling with. When you give up carbs, you start burning fat immediately. Cutting back on high-calorie carbohydrates automatically reduces the number of calories you eat each day, forcing your body to burn fat stored around your belly for energy instead of getting the sugar it needs from carbohydrates. Eating plenty of fiber. Eat more fiber. You've probably heard it before. But do you know why fiber is so good for your health? Dietary fiber, found mainly in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes, is probably best known for its ability to prevent or relieve constipation. But foods containing fiber can provide other health benefits as well, such as helping to maintain a healthy weight and lowering your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and some types of cancer. Fiber offers many health benefits, but it's important to incorporate fiber-containing foods gradually over the course of a few days to avoid adverse effects, such as bloating and gas. Balancing gut bacteria. Research trusted source indicates that having a large variety of bacteria in the gut may help reduce the risk of conditions like diabetes, inflammatory bowel disease, and psoriatic arthritis and obesity. Some types can increase the amount of energy that the person harvests from food, leading to fat deposition and weight gain. Some foods can increase the number of good bacteria in the gut, including a wide variety of plants. Increasing the number of fruits, vegetables, and grains in the diet will result in an increased fiber uptake and a more diverse set of gut bacteria. People should try to ensure that vegetables and other plant-based foods comprise 75% of their meal. Fermented foods, these enhance the function of good bacteria while inhibiting the growth of bad bacteria. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, tempeh, and miso all contain good amounts of probiotics, which help to increase good bacteria. Researchers have studied kimchi widely, and study results suggest that it has anti-obesity effects. Similarly, studies have shown that kefir may help to promote weight loss in overweight women. Getting a good night's sleep. It's long been known from lab studies that sleep deprivation stimulates appetite, increases cravings for sugar and junk food, and increases weight gain. To be more successful when it comes to weight loss goals, the secret may be a good night's sleep. Appetite regulation is better when people get adequate nightly rest. New research shows that getting an extra hour of sleep each night can help overweight sleep-deprived people eat 270 fewer calories a day without even trying. Participants in the new study weren't asked to restrict calories and didn't even know the study was measuring calorie intake because it was done by analyzing urine samples the participants thought were collected to measure other things. Sleep is a state where every cell in the body gets benefit. We better regulate our heart rates, our fat cells, our hormones, and overall, what we call our metabolism. Drinking water. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the best ways you can care for your whole body. While you'll definitely need to avoid dehydration if you're exercising regularly, even mild dehydration can affect everything from your skin to gut health. It's also important to note that hydration should be constant, not just at meals and before and after workouts. The goal is to stay hydrated consistently and then to supplement with additional water when you are sweating heavily, spending time in the heat, or exercising. The first reason that water can benefit weight loss is that it's totally calorie-free, so replacing sugary drinks, fruit juice, and calorie-filled hot drinks with water can greatly reduce the number of calories you're consuming every day. Many studies have shown that drinking water increases satiety and reduces hunger. This is partly attributable to the fact that drinking water simply fills up the stomach and reduces feelings of hunger, and also because both thirst and hunger share some neural circuits, leading to some conflation of the two in certain individuals. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to click that like, follow or subscribe button now to stay up to date with new weekly videos.